Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Clear Concept. This is the part 3 of our video towards understanding Excel. In case you have missed my previous videos, I will put up the link towards the end of this video so that you guys can check out. Let's understand today's topic. Today we are going to discuss two topics here. First is the VLOOKUP, which is also known as the vertical lookup in Excel. The second topic is the horizontal lookup, which is also known as the HLOOKUP. Now, once we understand both of these formulas, the applications, we will go towards some couple of examples. If we take two tables, one is the origin where all the data will be there, and the another one where the data has to be filled. So the first case we will take is I will have a vertical table where everything is there, and then I need to fill up couple of cells in the destination table. So first case is vertical table to vertical table. Second is the vertical table to a horizontal table. Third is the horizontal table to horizontal table. And the fourth one is the horizontal table to a vertical table. Okay, let's move and understand how this both of this formula works. Okay, so I have prepared a table for you. This is the table where it contains some names, Ravi, Sandeep, Vijay, etc. and then the respective ages, their gender, city and states. Now in this step 2, I have two table. One is the vertical table. This is the vertical table. The names are in a vertical format. So this is the vertical table. When I say horizontal table, the names are put in the horizontal structure. So first of all, we will see how the vertical works and then we'll move on to the horizontal. We can also consider it as a master data or a master sheet. Now then we'll have in the second scenario, we will have a data where we'll be seeking some data to fulfill or the fill up this blank cells. To do this, one thing has to be, we have to make sure is one thing has to be common between these two tables. Suppose in this table, these are the names. If you see this table, the only common thing here is the names. I have Vijay, Rahul, Shruti, Vicky, Ayush, Shilpa, Kaushik. So do we have these names here? Yes. Ravi, Sandeep, Vijay, Kaushik, Vicky, we have these names available here. Now what we want is we want their age and we want their states. So the only comparison will be we have to first of all look where is Vijay here in this table. We have Vijay here in this table in the column C. So we have to apply a formula where it seeks Vijay, it takes Vijay as the reference cell and then it starts looking for the rest of the data. So the formula looks like this. We go here, this is our target cell. So the target cell has to be filled up by the age. What is Vijay's age here? We see Vijay is 23. So basically when we put the formula, it should be 23 here. So let's understand what is the formula. The formula starts with an equal sign and then we will start, since this is the vertical, so first formula we will understand is the vertical VLOOKUP. We will put VLOOKUP. The moment I put this, I can either double click this or I can also write it down by myself. The first one is the, as I said, one thing has to be common. We have to find it out. So in both this table, one thing is common, that is the name. So I am going to select Vijay. So one thing is common and that has to be selected first. So Vijay is the thing which we are going to select first. Then we proceed with a comma and then we are going to go to the origin table or a master data table. Our master data here is what? This table. Okay, so we need only the data. We do not need the name, age, gender or anything or the serial numbers. So our actual data starts from Ravi and ends at Uttar Pradesh is the state. So this portion is only the actual data. Now once we are done, we have selected the whole actual or the master data, we will proceed with a comma. Okay, so our next requirement is, first requirement is the reference number which is Vijay we have selected. Second one is the table. So we have selected from Ravi to Uttar Pradesh, we have selected the whole data. Now the third criteria is what exactly is the number of the criteria we are looking at. So if I have selected from Ravi, we see the age is at number 2. So Ravi from Uttar Pradesh, so whole box I have selected. Ravi is the first, age is the second column, gender is the third column, city is the fourth column, and the state is the fifth column. So we have to select 2. So we are going to select 2 because 2 is the second column where age is there. Now we proceed with a comma and then we get two options. One is true, one is false. True is approximate match and the false is the exact match. We are looking for exact. There is no approximate in this case. So we write false and then we close the whole formula with a bracket and then we press enter. So it comes 23. Let's go back and see what is Vijay's age. Vijay's age is 23. So exactly we are getting 23. Now, as I have already mentioned in my previous videos, to apply the same formula in the rest of the cells, you just need to drag it. How you are going to drag it? Keep your mouse in this right bottom corner and then once it gets thin, click here, drag it. Okay. So Rahul 22, Shruti 26, Vicky 22. Rahul, Shruti, Vicky. Okay. So all this data are matching. Now similarly, what we have to do is we need the state. So where is the state? State is here. Again, we are going to select this whole place in case you have missed out or you got confused. I am going to select this whole area. So my data starts from Ravi, ends at Uttar Pradesh. Now in this whole, what I was explaining is age was my second column as per this selection. Same selection I'm going to do in this time the state is in the fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth. Okay, let's go ahead and apply the formula. What is the formula? Your formula is, you can use both the space. Either you come here and type the formula once you select the cell, or you can do this here because here space is more. You can see the whole formula. Let's come here. We'll type V look up. We'll start with a comma. Then we need the reference cell. The reference cell is Vijay. Okay, we will see what is Vijay's state. So reference cell is Vijay. I'm going to click Vijay, then proceed with a comma. Then my reference data. Where is my reference data? Where is my master sheet? Is here. We'll start from Ravi. I will end with Uttar Pradesh. Proceed with a comma. Then, as I already explained, what is my column number here? State 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will put 5. Then I press comma. Then I get again two options. Obviously it is going to be false because I'm looking for an exact match. Sometime if you put true, then it might show as a not available, or it might throw some different data. So always go with a false in case you are looking for an exact match. Hit enter. So this is Assam. Now let's see what is Vijay state here. Vijay state is Assam. I'm going to drag this formula rest of the cells. Okay, so Rahul, Bihar, Shruti, Karnataka. Rahul, Bihar, Shruti, Karnataka, and then Kaushik, Uttar Pradesh. Kaushik, Uttar Pradesh. Perfect. So we have learned how to do a VLOOKUP, which is a vertical lookup. Now, what is horizontal lookup? Everything is same in case the second scenario is, suppose this is not a vertical table, I have an horizontal table. You get a master data in a horizontal table, something like this. Serial number goes this way, your names, same data, your name goes this way in a horizontal form, age goes this way. So all your data is placed in a horizontal form. Now what is the formula to put all this data in a horizontal table? So we are going to try to put this data horizontal table to a horizontal table. Let's go ahead and apply the formula. The formula will be, application of formula will be exactly same. The only thing is the difference in the letter. Letter is, we used to put V look up. Now we are going to put H look up. H means horizontal, look up. Okay. Now what do I want? I want the same thing. Here the reference number is Vijay, reference cell is Vijay. Based on Vijay, I need the remaining details. I need Vijay's age, I need Vijay's state. Similarly, it's exactly same. I need not to do any changes. I go here, select Vijay because he is the reference cell. I go to my next is I go to my master data. Where is my master data? This is the master data. Similarly, I am going to select the actual data. My actual data starts from here, Ravi to Uttar Pradesh. Same structure, same data. Now I proceed with a comma. Now I will look in where age is there. Age is there in the second, because since it is in horizontal, it will start counting the rows instead of a column. Here is the second. We started with name, so age is in the second, so we are going to put second. Proceed with a comma, and then obviously it's in false. Okay, age is 23. See here, the age is 23. Here is a 23, here is a 23. Okay, now just to keep things little bit, in case you are thinking it might go wrong, I directly come here and put Vicky's age. So what I'm going to do is similarly the same, again I'm coming to this data. This is the master data. I'm going to select from Rabi to Uttar Pradesh. As since this is in horizontal, it's going to count the row. So my age is in the second row. Once I select this data, age will be in the second row, state will be in the fifth row. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so I need Vicky's data. Let's go ahead and put the formula. H look up. What I need Vicky. Then Vicky is the reference cell, comma, my master data. Where is my master data? My master data starts at Ravi. Then I proceed with a comma. Then where is age? Age is at second row, so I am putting second here. Proceed with a comma. Similarly false. Vicky 22. Where is Vicky? Vicky is 22. Then randomly we'll put. Now we need state. Okay, go ahead and we'll put state equal. Then H lookup. What do I want? I want Shruti's state. So Shruti is the reference cell, comma, go to the master data, come here, select the master data. Okay, proceed with a comma. Then what do I want? I want Shruti's state. So state is in the fifth. I'm going to select fifth. Then false, obviously. Karnataka. What is Shruti's state? Karnataka. Perfect. So what I can do is I can simply drag this formula here, and I can drag this formula here as well. I will do this in the right side, and I will do this in the left side. Okay, see, Assam, Bihar, Karnataka, Assam, Bihar, Karnataka. So all the data is Shilpa 15 Assam, Shilpa 15 Assam. So this is how an H lookup and a V lookup works. Since this video is getting really long, I am splitting this video into two parts. This was the first part. Please check out the second part on the link above I am mentioning. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.